Hi guys, hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a media creation or create a USB as your bootable flash drive for Windows 11. Here we go. The first thing to do, you can download Windows 11 manually here, or you can use Windows installation assist or this one. I recommend you to create Windows 11 installation media. Here we go. If you want to perform a reinstall or clean install of Windows 11 on new or used PC or laptop, use this option to download the media creation tool to make a bootable USB or DVD. So here we go. Before you begin using media creation tool, make sure you have an internet connection, sufficient data storage available on your PC or on your laptop. For USB or external drive, you are downloading the ISO file to blank DVD disk if you want to use the DVD. And we recommend using a blank USB or blank DVD. Yeah. If you receive a disk image file is too large, message will attempting to burn the bootable disk from an ISO file. Consider using a higher capacity dual layer DVD here. So we talk about USB right now. Don't bother with the DVD. So prepare your USB minimum 8 gigabyte and ensure your PC you want to install Windows 11 has 64-bit CPU. You can try to learn from the internet about your CPU, about your system requirement. Here we go. After downloading, run the media creation tool. So you need to be an administrator to run this tool. You can accept if you agree and select creation installation media for another PC and then select next. Select language, edition and architecture. And here we go for USB flash drive. You can plug in or attach blank USB flash drive with at least 8 gigabyte of space. Here, after installation media is created, you can check for updates, select start button, and then go to the settings, Windows Update, and select check or check for updates. Here we go. Attach the DVD or insert DVD on the PC. You can restart your PC and go to the BIOS to change the boot order. Change the boot order and open boot menu and change the boot order into your USB drive or USB as your bootable. And then you can install Windows page, select your language, time, keyboard, and so on. Then select next. Select install Windows and follow the guide there. It's very easy. It maybe takes your time about an hour, 2 hour, or 3 hour maximum to complete installation from the USB. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also, click the next button below. See you in the next video.